Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 28, 2025, and we're diving into Gevo's fourth quarter and full year 2024 earnings report. Gevo, a leader in renewable hydrocarbon fuels and chemicals, has just released their financial results. Joining us today is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Gevo's focus on sustainable energy solutions makes their performance particularly interesting, especially in today's market where environmental considerations are increasingly important.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the revenue figures. Gevo reported an operating revenue of $8.9 million for the fourth quarter and $32.7 million for the full year 2024. John, how does this compare to their previous performance?
While the revenue figures show a slight decrease compared to the previous year, it's important to note that Gevo's revenue is heavily influenced by their RNG project and environmental attribute sales. The net loss per share for the quarter was 8 cents, which is better than the forecasted EPS of $1.11. This indicates some resilience in their financial management despite the challenges.
And what about their profitability metrics?
Gevo reported a non-GAAP adjusted eBay loss of $11.3 million for the quarter. This is a key metric as it excludes non-cash expenses, providing a clearer picture of their operational performance. The company is still in a growth phase, investing heavily in future projects, which impacts their current profitability.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Gevo's RNG subsidiary seems to be a significant part of their operations. Can you tell us more about its performance?
Absolutely. The RNG subsidiary generated $15.8 million in revenue for the year, with an adjusted EBITDA profit of $2.7 million in the fourth quarter. This is a positive sign, showing that their investments in renewable natural gas are starting to pay off. They're also anticipating a lower CI score with the final pathway approval under the LCFS program expected in the first quarter of 2025, which could further enhance their revenue from environmental attributes.
What about their project development costs?
Project development costs increased by $3.4 million, reflecting Gevo's commitment to expanding their alcohol-to-jet projects and other initiatives. This is a strategic move to position themselves for future growth, although it does weigh on their current financials.
Financial position and strategic initiatives. Let's discuss Gevo's financial position. They ended the quarter with $259 million in cash and equivalents. How does this position them for future initiatives?
Gevo's strong cash position is crucial as they continue to invest in their strategic projects. However, they did see an increase in interest expenses by $1.7 million, primarily due to their remarketed bonds. This, along with a $3.2 million increase in general and administrative expenses, reflects their ongoing efforts to scale their operations and bring in skilled professionals.
And what about their equity position?
Gevo's stockholders' equity stands at $489.5 million, which is a solid foundation for their future growth plans. Despite the current losses, their investments in technology and infrastructure are aimed at long-term profitability and sustainability.
CFO Insights. What insights did Gevo's leadership provide regarding their financial results and future plans?
Dr. Patrick R. Gruber, the CEO, and L. Lynn Small, the CFO, emphasized their commitment to sustainable energy solutions. They highlighted the progress in their alcohol-to-jet projects and the strategic importance of their RNG operations. Their focus remains on reducing greenhouse gas emissions and expanding their renewable product offerings.
It sounds like Gevo is positioning itself well for the future.
Indeed, their strategic initiatives and investments in technology are aimed at capturing a larger share of the renewable energy market, which is expected to grow significantly in the coming years.
Key takeaways. In summary, Gevo's fourth quarter and full year 2024 results show a company in transition, investing heavily in future growth while managing current challenges. Their revenue for the full year was $32.7 million, and they reported an adjusted EPS of 8 cents, beating the forecast of 11 cents. With a strong cash position of $259 million and promising developments in their RNG operations, Gevo is poised for future success. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. Gevo's strategic focus on renewable energy and sustainability positions them well for the future, despite the current financial challenges.
Thank you to our viewers for watching. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Gevo's performance in the comments below. Until next time.